Hi 11th grade, thanks for checking out this video. This video is to show you how to use Google Sheets to calculate the constant multiplier. So as you can see, we are in a Google Sheet and you can see the days from 0 all the way down to 22 days. 22 days of data, and you can see the positive cumulative cases. So this is for Nobles County. But what I want to show you is how can we build the ratio. This ratio will be the base of our exponential equation. So to start, we have to think about how does that ratio build? Well, it multiplies. So 1 times some number gives us 1. 1 times some number gives us 3. 3 times some number gives us 2, and so on. And so what we're going to do here is go backwards. We're going to divide. So all I'm going to type is an equals, and then I'm going to select the cells that are going to divide. Cells are these little boxes. So notice how this is the 4th row in column C. So this is C4, and we're going to divide, just a forward slash, by the previous day's data. That would be C3. And then just hit enter. And we know 1 divided by 1 is 1, and 3 divided by 1 is 3. And we could do 2 divided by 3, and 2 divided by 2, and 12 divided by 2, and so on. But what about 76 divided by 60? Let's make the sheets do the work. Once you've got this equation set up, notice it's in that f of x line, that fx line. All we have to do is click on this box and drag it down, and it applies that same formula to the rest of the data. So 36 divided by 12 is 3, but then we get into some crazy decimals. Now, while we have that highlighted, notice that we have, let's see, from here all the way down to the 22nd, we have 21 pieces of data to find the average of. So let's look at that data. Actually, it would be 22 pieces of data, because the 0 day would really be the 23rd. But so we have 22 pieces of data that we're going to average. But I didn't even need to know that, because Google Sheet is going to do the work. So what we do is we go to Insert, and we want a function. Now, I have used average repeatedly, so it's a common one capitalized up at the top here. But if you didn't have that there, go to statistical. Think statistics for average. And then towards the top, there's the average. And then it asks you which cells to use. And you're all set. From D4 all the way to D26, we're in the correct column. And we just hit enter. And so we see we have an average of 1.545 and so on. That means we have about a 55% increase on average each day. Thanks for watching the video.